In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk import data in monday.com. First, prepare your spreadsheet before importing. Make sure your data includes a clear header row with column names such as task name, status, due date, or priority. Review your spreadsheet and ensure each column contains the correct type of information. For example, date columns should contain dates and status columns should contain consistent status values. If you're using an Excel workbook with multiple tabs, make sure all the data you want to import is located in the first sheet. Next, log in to your monday.com account and click the Add button or your Profile menu. From the available options, select Import Data. Choose whether you want to import from Excel or Google Sheets, then upload your file. Once the file is uploaded, monday.com will analyze your spreadsheet and display the column mapping screen. Carefully match each spreadsheet column with the appropriate monday.com column type. For example, map deadline fields to date columns, assignee fields to people columns, and status fields to status columns. After reviewing the mapping, click Create Board. Monday.com will automatically create a new board and import all of your spreadsheet data into it. Once the import is complete, review your board and make any adjustments needed to columns, groups, or item details. That's it. You've successfully bulk imported data into monday.com. Thanks for watching.